Hello guys, how are you?
We are fine, sir.
Okay, so Niharika, take the question.
Sir, explain me WH words.
WH words. Okay, guys, today is the 31st December 2024, and I would like to inform that this is the last day of this year. And 2024 was the superb, excellent, miracle. There is no word in my dictionary how to praise about 2024. I cannot narrate here. Why? Because to describe about 2024, for me especially, impossible. Because I had learned many things in this year. Not only for me, but also with you also. So guys, how was your experience of 2024? Please share to me, okay? And guys, today Niharika Kavar is asking that what is the WH words? So guys, today we are shooting 17 video of the WH families. So guys, it will be last session for us. So guys, today we are going to crack about WH words. What is the WH words? Guys, WH words mean the interrogative words which are used to interrogate to someone for something. Okay, to ask question to someone for something, that is called interrogative word, that is called WH words. Guys, for example, who are you? How are you? Why did you go there? How long are you? How old are you? Is that clear? When did you born? Where are you going? So guys, you are looking that in all sentence we are using WH words at the first place. And remember that we always use WH word at the first place. Is that clear? To ask something. And guys, if you like this GR with the WH words, then you can follow us at our social media handles. And guys, if you want to archive more English tricky video, then you can visit at our official website, whose official URL link is www.nvea.in. And guys, you can contact us at our helpline number, which is 09414008310. Thank you so much guys. All the best.
Thank you, sir.